I am how the roof gets over your head. I am an expression of your creativity. I deliver your pride and joy. I help create memories never forgotten and a welcome sight at the end of the day. And I am one member.
I'm one member.
One member.
I am one member
of a powerful team.
I am one member of a powerful team.
We are a leading national provider of building materials and construction solutions. From distribution and custom millwork to truss manufacturing and installation management. And we are a fountain of innovation. We are the ones people count on. We are hardworking and easy to work with. We are what you need when you need it, how you want it, from start to finish. We are out of the box and in service to you. We are putting customers first while taking care of communities. We are always treating others with respect and never compromising safety.
We are proud,
dedicated,
excited,
inspired.
We are the best at what we do and getting better every day. We are changing the industry and the world.
We are BMC.
we
Our BMC.
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 We are BMC.
we are BMC.
We are